So before I give you an assignment, let me explain your first assignment and why assignments. One, I'm a teacher. Two, assignments give you the permission slip to practice. Okay, a lot of students don't do that. They absorb 100 things in their head and never use one of them. Okay, that's the crux of being a student. They want absolute power, but they don't take the time to memorize or use the skills in order to get it to the point where they don't have to think about it. It's like learning a language. You have to constantly use that language, or it will go away. So now these assignments, they're going to be geared towards, like, let's say, a classroom. So if you are an individual that purchased a class online and you want to do the assignments, that's fine. If you don't want to do the assignments, that's fine. Just know that that's the goal I set for you for a reason. Okay? You'll run into certain problems that I want you to run into, and those problems are going to spark the interest of the next unit. It's a trick. It is. So you are going to run into problems with the assignments I give you. You will run into the, hey, how do I do this? And sometimes if you're live with me, I won't answer those questions right away either, because I'll let you sit with the question a little bit. So just warning, if I ever teach you in public, I might not answer all your questions, but there is a reason for that too. Alright, so now that we have moving the camera, moving objects around, how to join them, how to move their pivot points, let's do something. We're going to make a castle. Okay? So here's the requirements of your first castle. Okay? Your first castle is at least 4 towers. Okay, that's it. Don't do this part. Your next part is at least 1 keep. Don't do this part. At least 4 inner curtain walls. Don't have to do this part. 1 bailey and 1 drawbridge. Alright, so easy as that. One thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to search out what is an inner curtain, what is a bailey, what is a drawbridge, what is a keep, what is a tower. You're going to have to research that. As a modeler, you are going to have to do research. So much research, you don't even know. But that'll get you started. So build me a castle. It doesn't matter about scale. It doesn't matter about anything. Here's one rule. It can only be made out of primitives. Okay, so you can only use these to build it. You only have to be in object mode. If you are advanced and you know what edit mode is, you can't use it for this assignment. Sorry. Alright, so build me a castle using primitives. And then meet me back in the next chapter.